The alphabet makeup challenge. Let's do it. So this is the usual order that I would do my makeup, but if we put that alphabetically, this is how it looks. So I'm starting off with bacon. This feels so wrong. Next is blush. Hopefully it blends okay with the powder there. Carving out my eyebrows. I always just go underneath. I never really go on top. Concealer. I'm kind of scared about putting this on top of the powder. Ooh. Oh no. Do you guys see that? It kind of like won't go past that point. I have to be a lot more aggressive. Okay, it's starting to blend now. It's contour. Let's contour my nose as well, so we'll do a little button. Oh, and we can't forget the 5 head. I may have added a bit too much contour, but it's fine, we'll make it work. Eyebrows next, thank goodness. And then fill it in. Eyeshadow's the next step. Just add a nude shade in the inner corner. Blend in some brown and black eyeshadow into my crease. F for foundation. I only put it around my mouth to kind of colour correct. Got a little foundation mustache. F is also for freckles. H for highlight. L for lashes. Securing the lash. L is also for liner. Lip liner. Lipstick. M for mascara. P is for powder. Primer. No, I'm so scared. Just be gentle. Look at all the makeup that's come off on my hands. Last up is S, setting spray. I'm gonna drench my face. Let that dry down. That is it, we completed it. Let's inspect. To be honest, I'm actually really impressed. It kind of looks better than the way I usually do my makeup. But honest thoughts guys, how did I do? Subscribe to my channel.